Hi guys, Dan Stollers here. A very good morning to you all. I hope you're all well at home. And here we go then. We are back with the results of close-up coins. 5 alphabet coins up for guessing. I'm going to start off with the letter K. We had King Arthur himself sat around the round table. Number 2, A for Angel of the North. Again, if you found that one, 2019, £20 for a perfect uncirculated coin. Unbelievable. Coin number 3, it could have been Q for Q, but it was indeed D for double-decker bus. A couple of people there sat patiently on the top row. One of my favourite coins is next. We had the wickets from the C for cricket. Coin number 5, maybe the most difficult. We've got the Royal Cipher on the front and it's off the postbox. It is indeed the P for postbox 10p coin. This one, definitely one of the most detailed 10p coins and one of my top 5 favourites. A huge shout out then to everyone that played along on the game. Squirreling Coins and also Purple Fairy, the fastest two. They were quick on getting all 5 of those correct. Definitely a huge shout out to Squirreling Coins and Purple Fairy. Give them some love there in that comment section below. We'll be back with this game over the course of the weekend. Plenty of games to be played though before then. And again, if you'd like to see your own game featured on the channel, please do let us know in the comment section below and we'll try and play your coin game for you. Have a really nice week, everyone. I will try my best to catch up with all of the videos over the course of this week. And again, off for the whole of February. It nearly is time for my holiday indeed. Stay safe and as always, guys, thanks for watching.